So we all know that the year of 2024 is going to be the year of Donald Trump's legal problems coming back to bite him. Like this month alone, January 11th, he's got the closing arguments for the New York fraud trial, but actually 2 days before that, January 9th, is when the appellate court is going to hear whether or not he's immune, and then that's going to go to the Supreme Court. Then on January 15th, a lot of stuff happening in a week there. January 15th, he starts the E. Jean Carroll trial. Later in the year, we've got the election overturning trial with Chutkan. We've got the documents trial with Cannon. We've got the Georgia trial with Fani Willis. We've got the New York criminal trial for the Stormy Daniels hush money payment. That's a lot of stuff. And there's another one. Another fraud trial that everybody, including myself, had forgotten about. I talked about it years ago right here at Ring of Fire, but never got a conclusion to it because the trial was postponed and postponed and postponed. And now that trial is set to take place on January 29th, although the judge has already signaled that it's probably going to be pushed back just a little bit more. But this is a trial, actually not a trial, it's a lawsuit brought against Donald Trump all the way back in 2018. So the plaintiffs in this case have been waiting 6 years to hold Donald Trump accountable for, as they called it, defrauding them. These are the people who Donald Trump duped into investing into video phone company ACN. They claimed that Donald Trump had told them that ACN, again, video phone technology, which even by the time these things came out was already outdated because guess what? We all had one in our pocket anyway. Nevertheless, Donald Trump brought 2 of the company's executives onto his program, The Apprentice, touted ACN's video phone technology. He then did presentations for prospective investors, told them this company's making $500 million a year. I'm not getting paid anything to promote them, he said. But he lied, according to the investors. He actually was a stakeholder, an investor himself in ACN. So the more people he got to buy in and go sell these video phones, because they're calling it basically a pyramid scheme, the more money he got. And they filed this lawsuit against him in 2018. And it's just now set to go to trial, hopefully at the end of January, but it could be pushed back even further. Now, the ramifications of this lawsuit are not as big as literally any of the other cases that Trump is facing. But this would be another one that proves that this man is just a liar. He'll lie for money. He'll lie to anyone to get their money. So even though the penalties and punishments from this one, if Trump loses, and I'm pretty sure he will, they're small compared to the reputational damage that this case could do to Donald Trump during the primary season. Because again, if the plaintiffs prevail in this case, it will prove that Trump is a liar. It'll prove that he duped them for profit. Now, most Trump supporters aren't going to care about that. But there's going to be a few voters out there that do. And every person that turns away from Donald Trump every time he gets in trouble, that's a good start. And this lawsuit that's been lingering, simmering out there for 6 years could help push more people away from Donald Trump, which might push him even further away from the White House. Ring of Fire is just a few subscribers short of hitting that 1 million subscriber milestone. So if you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and do so and stay up to date with all of the latest from Ring of Fire.